Welcome to another video on the Quick How channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Cursed Walking mod pack for Minecraft. This mod pack adds a lot of new content to the game, including a true zombie apocalypse where you'll need to fight hard just to survive. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel. For this tutorial, we're going to use a PC application that makes downloading Minecraft mod packs much easier. Not only Cursed Walking, but many others as well. This application is called CurseForge. First, close Minecraft completely. Then, open any web browser you prefer. In this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome. Open a new tab, go to Google, and in the search bar, type CurseForge. The official website is usually the first result. Click on it and make sure you're on the official site, which is curseforge.com. On the top right corner of the site, click Get CurseForge App, then click Download Standalone. In my opinion, this version is better than downloading it through Overwolf. After that, a file called CurseForge Windows Installer will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, double-click the file. If you don't see it in your browser downloads, just open your Downloads folder and you'll find it there. When the installer opens, choose the language you want. I'll select English and then click Next. Choose the folder where CurseForge will be installed. After that, check the box to accept the terms of use, the privacy policy, and confirm that you are over 18 years old. Click Next again, and CurseForge will begin installing. Once the installation is complete, the application will open automatically. If you already have Minecraft installed on your computer, you should see a Minecraft icon on the left side menu. If the icon does not appear, it means either Minecraft is not installed or CurseForge did not detect the Minecraft folder. If Minecraft is installed but not showing up, click Add Game, then scan your computer for games or manually add Minecraft. Once Minecraft appears in CurseForge, click on it. In the search bar at the top, type Cursed Walking and press Enter. Be careful because there are many mod packs with similar names that are not official. The official Cursed Walking mod pack is created by OnMod and has the highest number of downloads. To make sure you select the correct one, click Sort and choose Popularity, and the first result should be the official mod pack. Click on the correct one and then click the orange Install button. After that, go to My Mod Packs, where you'll see Cursed Walking being downloaded and installed. When the installation is finished, click Play. The Minecraft launcher will open, and you just need to click Play again. Now you're in Minecraft, but not the vanilla version. You're playing Minecraft with the Cursed Walking mod pack installed. That's it. Just enter a world, start exploring, and hunt down some zombies to survive the apocalypse.